Cutting across to news coming in on a JPC meet for One Nation, One Poll that's currently underway even as I speak. Priyanka arrives for the One Nation, One Poll JPC meet in the Parliament. No consensus. A fiery session on the cards is expected. Law Ministry briefs the joint parliamentary panel on One Nation, One Poll. The joint parliamentary panel has nearly 39 members of the Parliament who are going to be discussing and deliberating One Nation, One Poll, its feasibility, whether the country must adopt it. The One Nation, One Poll joint parliamentary panel has 12 Rajya Sabha MPs and nearly 27 Lok Sabha MPs. Of course, it's important to note that the ruling NDA has vehemently backed it. The One Nation, One Election pitch that's been Prime Minister Modi's pitch since the time he's come to power, saying that he wants to see the entire country go into polls in one shot. So, of course, deliberations will ultimately take place on this, and that's begun, the process of which a joint parliamentary panel now has met for the first time. That meeting has begun, and it comprises of nearly 39 members of the Parliament. That involves 12 Rajya Sabha members and 27 Lok Sabha members, MPs from the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, first-time MP who's also part of that panel, who will be deliberating intensely on whether or not the country should adopt One Nation, One Election. All assembly elections to happen simultaneously in the country, assembly as well as Lok Sabha. Also in the pitch is municipal elections also to be clubbed in that one big election if it's adopted. Piyush Mishra joining us live for more on that. Piyush, this first JPC meet will be nothing short of fiery.
Well, absolutely. As we are speaking, the meeting is underway there at the Parliament, where all the members of Joint Parliamentary Committee are present. What we are now told is that the officials of Ministry of Law, they are briefing the JPC today. And this is an introductory meet which is now taking place. There are 39 members of this entire JPC, which includes 27 Lok Sabha MPs and 12 Rajya Sabha MPs. It is a very crucial meet which is now taking place. After this, we can expect the JPC to hear voices of various other stakeholders. We also spoke to chairperson of a joint parliamentary committee, where he told us that today the views of various views of Ministry of Law officials will be taken, and after that, in the other meetings, the views of other stakeholders will be taken, and then only after having the consultation, the JPC is going to submit its report to the Parliament.
All right. In fact, Piyush has spoken with the JPC chairperson before this meet itself, PP Chaudhary. Here's his take on this.
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दायित्व पार्लियामेंट के द्वारा दिया गया जेपीसी को, और सारे बहुत ही अनुभवी और एमिनेंट लोग इस कमेटी में हैं, और हम एक टीम के रूप में देश हित में सभी लोग काम करेंगे, और मुझे लगता है कि हम इसको ओपन माइंड से और अनबायस्ड माइंड से इसको बिल को एग्जामिन करेंगे, इसको मेरिट के आधार पे एग्जामिन करेंगे।
क्या आपको लगता है कि क्या ऐसी चीजें होंगी जिससे लोग माने, जो अलग अलग दलों के जो नेता हैं, सांसद हैं, वो आपकी बात सुने? क्या
देखिए, बात हमें उनकी बात सुननी, मुझे मेरी बात नहीं सुनानी, क्योंकि हमें उनसे सुन कर करके, उनके इनपुट लेकर के, उनके अच्छे ओपिनियन लेकर के, और डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स, हर सोसाइटी के हर पार्ट में, चाहे जुडिशरी से हो, चाहे लीगल फैटर्निटी से हो, चाहे इंडस्ट्री से हो, चाहे सिविल सोसाइटी से हो, चाहे इलेक्शन कमीशन हो, चाहे गवर्नेंस बॉडीज हो, तो सारे से जो भी हैं, बहुत लिस्ट लंबी होगी इसमें, हम सारों से उनसे इनपुट लेंगे, क्या ओपिनियन है। हम अपनी ओपिनियन जो है उसको, उनकी ओपिनियन आने के बाद में हम बैठ कर करके उसको डेलिब्रेट करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे, और डिस्कस करेंगे हम ओपन माइंड से करेंगे, और उसमें कोशिश ये करेंगे कि नेशनल इंटरेस्ट में कंसेंसस को अराइव करें।